What's going on, guys? Like I said, a couple guys wanted me to start back doing some workout videos. So, and I'm actually doing that also. So I'm finna try to switch my YouTube channel up a little bit. I'm gonna do a variety of things more than just audio. So last night, I actually went to a racetrack and recorded a lot of racing videos. So look for that. So I'm bringing my cooking videos back on some of the things, you know, when I got time to do it. This is Sunday night, so I'm preparing for Monday and perhaps Tuesday with my meal here. So I'm finna do a shrimp stir fry. And this rice right here is jasmine rice. It's not white rice, it's jasmine rice. I'll grab the package here in a minute and show y'all what kind it was. I think I just used the last little bit, but I'll show you what kind it is. Okay, so what I start off doing with my jasmine rice, I boil my water with olive oil. I just sprinkle some olive oil in my water. And whatever pan you use, try to use probably about a pan about the size of a 6.5 or maybe an 8. I think this is probably about the size of an 8, I would say. And I cook with chicken cubes for flavor. I'm gonna show them to you. The little cubes, I just drop one in the water with the olive oil, with a little salt, a little pepper, and butter. I let the water get hot, and I use I try to cook everything by the cup. So I start off with 1 cup. That's what I cook. So I got some leftover rice right here that I cooked like a couple days ago. Once that gets done, I'm gonna put this in there with it, cause like I'm cooking for 2 days. I'm gonna eat something tonight too. Okay, so I got some mixed vegetables right here that I just put a little olive oil in the skillet, and you wanna season these also. And I'm using pink salt. Show you what salt I'm using. So this is the salt I'm using right here. If I'm pronouncing it right, Himalayan pink salt. That's what I'm using right here. And I just sprinkle a little bit on the top, a little pepper on the top, and I use a little olive oil, and I just stir it around in the skillet. So that's that. Kind of like saute them, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna use this same skillet to do my stir fry in. While I got my rice cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and top it. I'm just go ahead and cover it up like that. Turn it down low heat, turn the heat down low heat, like right there. Okay, so let me get the rice pack so I can show you what kind of rice this is, just in case y'all wanna go and get this rice. Y'all probably can find it, but it's jasmine rice, but hang on a second. All right, so here it is. Long grain jasmine rice, so that's what I'm cooking with. This is a quick meal, should I say. It's real quick. I mean, if I had my rice already cooked and my shrimps already cooked, I can just go ahead and do what I gotta do. But I got some green onions, some fresh green onions, which I never actually put green onions in there, but I actually have some I bought for something else. So what I'm going to do when I cook my shrimps, I'm gonna cook my shrimps in the same pan right here, and I'm gonna show you that in a minute. I'm gonna add some onions with it to kind of season the onions real good. So this right here is finished. I'm just gonna take this and put this in a bowl, and just get it out of the way. Excuse me, I can't find anything right now. And I'm trying to hold the camera and do all this at the time. If I didn't have the camera, I just dump this off in there. Which I'm gonna do that after I get some of them out. It's a little hot there. All right, that's that. All right, so here's my shrimps right here. I got them covered up. So here's my shrimps. So you asked them what I seasoned them with. Himalaya salt, pink salt, black pepper, Oregano leaves, parsley flakes, paprika. Plus I put a little olive oil on them while I was cooking them. So I'm gonna get this skillet. I'm gonna wash this skillet, get this skillet going so I can go ahead and cook these. And once the rice get done, we'll be ready to go. So hang on. Okay guys, I got my skillet going here. So a little olive oil, and here are my shrimps. I'm just gonna pound them in. Start off with high heat first in the cast iron skillet. Then as you put them in, you lower it, you know what I mean? Kind of just. Like I said, this is my way. Anybody that does anything different, you know what I mean? That'll be you. So here are my onions. I'm just gonna sprinkle my onions over like that. Kind of help give them an extra flavor. So I'm gonna cook this back, turn them, flip them, you know what I mean? And then I'll turn around and cook the other back. And we'll go from there. Alright, I just want to show y'all how these look. I just turned them. I just want to kind of slightly brown each side because I'm actually gonna reheat them again when I do the stir fry. I was gonna actually save this for the end, but I'm just gonna show y'all right now. So here's the two sauces right here I have a choice to use over my rice and shrimps and veggies. The yum yum sauce, which if you eat if you eat Chinese, you know you can get the yum yum sauce, or the orange sauce that you eat with chicken. So that's my choice right there to actually whichever one I want. And I'll probably use the yum yum sauce. I'll actually put a little bit with the stir fry as I cook it, and then I'll actually put a little bit on top of it as I eat it. And this is not really sweet, but this is sweet. I'm not really looking for a sweet taste. I'm just looking for more of the flavor. So this is gonna give me my flavor that I want over everything. Dang guys, I almost forgot I was freaking recording, man. I was just dropping onions and stuff. All right, so I'm cooking the next batch of shrimp, so I'm just kind of dropping my onions down first. And I'm putting the rest of the shrimps in. So that's how the first batch comes out. Normally I would be saying la da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da da da. But I'm on camera, I can't do all that. Alright, so we got all those in. 10. We got our bottom layer of onions on there. And we're gonna shoot some more on the top there, right? Just like that. Dang, I done used all these onions. Green onions, baby. Alright, so we're gonna let that simmer and cook. Let's check on my rice over here. See what it do. Yes, sir. It's coming down. Alright, so that rice that I told you that I had left over, I almost forgot, so I just dumped it in here. So it's gonna kind of help speed the process up now. Get some of this water actually dissolved out of here. So I just dumped it in here. And we are rolling. Yep, I almost forgot though. It's actually be ready in a minute now. So I can actually turn this all the way to there. Got these going. Turn this down before I burn them up. I was actually going to do me some fried shrimp tonight. But I thought about, I just wanted to eat the fried shrimp for the night because I was hungry. But I thought about I need lunch for tomorrow, so ain't no sense in me cooking fried shrimp. When I do fried shrimp, I like to eat them like, turn this off. I like to eat them like right then. I don't like the warm fried shrimp stuff. We're gonna have some stir fry in a minute, guys. Yes, sir. I'll show y'all in a minute how I do that right now. Just turn these around. That onion gone. Y'all need to see that onion no more. Alright, we're gonna get these out. And we're gonna see where my rice at. And then if my rice ready to come over here, I will. But hang on a second. Let me throw this in while I'm thinking about it. You don't want to wash these. This is flavor already in here. Only thing you want to do is like pour a little more olive oil in here to get everything popping. Then you go from there. So like I said, I'm gonna see where my rice at. Let my rice cook a little bit more, and then we're gonna come back over here. One other thing. I normally buy spring rolls. I buy spring rolls. Spring rolls come with like a sweet and sour sauce. I only had a couple of them left. So, I got 4 of them. I'm gonna feast on a bowl of this tonight, even though it's for lunch tomorrow. If I didn't have these two, if you wanna buy spring rolls, you wanna try the sweet and sour sauce, I don't wanna take the sweet and sour sauce when I'm cooking it. I would dazzle it over the rice. I will cook it in there with that. And I also, when I get to work the next day, when I heat it up, I'll take some of this and I'll put it over my rice, stir it up and eat it. That's just something, if you want to try that, you can. But preference, the last time I had this, I used the yum yum sauce. And I also use this too, but I want this. Be back. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get stuff to go on, man. So I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna preheat my skillet. It's already warm, so I'll put my rice over here. It done cook a little bit longer than I expected. Low heat. Low heat. See how that flavor coming back up through there? It's a real low heat. Put it on low. See how that's coming back up? Look at that flavor. So then I'm just gonna do that right there. Dazzle, 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 man. Look at that birdie. The veggies up in that joint. And the only thing we gotta do is this right here. Low heat stir. Low heat stir. Low heat stir. And see this one, if I feel like I need to add some more rice, I will. And my yum yum sauce, I just sprinkle that across it like that right there. Boom. So I think I'm gonna add another scoop of rice. I know I'm making a mess, but I have to clean my mess up. It's all about the flavor in the food right now. And that's what you do. You just stir, bro. Stir, stir, bro, man, whoever watching. This is how I do it. And it's ready already. You know what I'm saying? That's a quick, healthy meal. See how that yum yum sauce doing what it do up in there? It's ready. Off. Now this is a quick meal, man. You know what I'm saying? It's healthy. You got your carrots, you got your corn, you got your green beans, you got your sweet peas, you got your shrimps, you got your jasmine rice. Of course, if you want to use brown rice, I've used brown rice before. You can, but man, it's ready. I'm about to eat me a bowl of this and put the rest for lunch. And this rice right here, we'll put back in this bowl. and going to save for another day. Maybe the next day I'll do some salmon. But if y'all want to see me do salmon, how I do my salmon, it's another quick meal. And these are meals that I cook through the week because I work out and I go to work, and I'm trying to find some good healthy meals that I can cook real quick and fast. I mean, like, I got a recipe for some green beans, broccoli. I mean, I pretty much eat the same thing Monday through Friday. And on the weekends, you know, I kind of eat out a little bit, but for the most part, that's it. Just hang on a minute. All right, so that's that restaurant style. What you know about that? I got my 2 spring rolls on the side. I'm finna eat this right now. So the rest pretty much gonna be for lunch for, I don't know, probably till Tuesday. Well, that's what's up. Cooking with Highbass. Like, comment, subscribe, all thumbs up. What's up?